feeders for the chickens now. She's taking a break over there in the swing. She got all the waters cleaned out for the chickens, and they're starting to find them again. You guys breathe so heavy because you're so big. But these are the windows on this coop, so they're easy peasy. In fact, Cassie has already, I think she opened them up. Oh, nope, she hasn't opened them up yet. So, well, I might take 2 hands. Oh yeah, because you got to unlock them. There it goes. Okay, so those are very easy to open up. And there's window number 2 opened up. And now the turkeys are in here, so usually it's a lot worse in here, but maybe not so much this time. We've been wanting to make a new turkey coop just strictly for the turkeys since they are so big. And they don't roost or anything because they're just huge. And all we have are toms. We don't have any hens yet, which were, when we got our turkeys, we didn't know they were both going to be toms. But here they are, and they are. So, and then some of our, I don't know what you call that, I forget, but it's some of that insulation type stuff is coming off, and we're going to go ahead and get that fixed, staple it back up. Why don't you guys go play somewhere? And we're also thinking about maybe getting some rabbits, simply for the to have the rabbit manure for our garden. Cassie's back in there now. She's swimming down the walls and the ceilings for the chicken coop. And then so I forgot we have an extra wheelbarrow. One dirty pan in there that Chris has got in his E-tank. So, I got the other wheelbarrow. Why I didn't remember we had this one, I have no clue. Oops, I'm kind of jiggly. And why I didn't remember that we had this one. How I forgot, I don't know. But so now we have, it's even deeper. So now let's go down to the blue coop. And so like I said, this is the coop that we made, the raisable roosting bars. We have a video on that. You can go check that out. But it makes it so much easier. Oh, they want a bird. She must have a nest in here. I was wanting to make a nest. But it makes it so much easier when you can raise up your roosting bar clean under it. I'm trying to see where she might have had a nest in here, but I don't think. Maybe up on the top. There might be some places where she might be trying to make one. Woo! Maybe so. Okay, so take these little clips. Now I know there's lots of different ways you can do this, maybe probably even easier ways, but this has worked out really great for us, and this is what we did at the time. Gosh, this was a little bit tighter, the clip. Okay. And just take it and raise it up. And then I got a bar in here, I wrap it around so it doesn't come down on top of my head. And that's all it is to it. I might make it where we can just have a hook, like a long hook, and just hook it in there so we don't have to deal with the rope. but I don't know. We'll see. This really works out good, so I don't even know that we really need to change it. So Cassie's still using the shovel, and I probably need the shovel in here because a lot of it is just broken down. But there is still some underneath that needs a pitchfork. Go ahead and get it picked up. So we'll do that until she's done with the shovel. And this time around, I did have the windows open up first before I started. I am going to need the shovel because it's all falling through. Some pieces will come out. This is definitely a shovel when needed. Okay, so Cassie gave me the shovel. Oh, so much easier. Whew, so dusty in there. Here is our diatomaceous earth that we sprinkle in on our chicken coop. We're almost out. I don't know if you can see that or not, but you can kind of see it. It doesn't take very much to sprinkle in there. And we will put some in their nesting boxes as well. And we like to put it down before the bedding goes down. I just have like a little measuring scoop just to kind of sprinkle some in around. But we need to buy some more of that. We're almost out. You want to always make sure you get the food grade diatomaceous earth. I'm going to start putting some in the nesting boxes. Cassie got them all cleaned out for me. Ooh, there. Some fresh, ooh, look, I didn't do that. Fresh bedding in the nesting boxes. And now we're just gonna head and put some out on the floor of the coop and kind of spread it out.
I vote pour the rest of it out and say have at it.
I think put it all in here?
Yeah.
Probably so. I don't have very much left. Good thing we bought two.
Yep.
How's that look?
It looks good.
Okay, let me see.
I still say you should have got a broom, but it looks good.
Okay. I know. Cassie would wish I got the broom so we could have dusted off some of that, which we still can. But so there, our nesting boxes all have brand new bedding in there, and then the floors. I think there's a bird in here making a nest because she flew out when I was in here.
Oh, nice.
And I'm wondering if she is trying to make a nest up in there. Oh, and there's a wasp flying around. Oh, I see the fake eggs. I forgot to put them in the nesting boxes. Oops. Those turkeys really don't like Chris at all. Okay, so here's the other pieces that I'm taking over to Chris while he's in there. Here's the other pieces. You see the wasp, I guess?
Still a bunch of them.
There was a bird in here too. I think a bird was making a nest. See up there behind you, up above. So there's the other pieces right there. There you go, guys. We got both our coops all cleaned out, so we're excited about that. They really needed it. They weren't as bad as they have been in the past. We kind of kept them up during the winter, and Cassie was really good at keeping them up during the winter. We are so glad that it's done with. They've got fresh bedding in their nesting boxes and all throughout the coop. But if you like this video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, we'll see you later.